students, in this video we can study about Euler circuit and how to find Euler circuit using Flory's algorithm. An Euler circuit is defined as a closed walk that includes all the edges in a graph exactly once and starts and ends at the same vertex. A given connected graph G is an Euler graph if and only if all the vertices of G are of even degree. So Euler circuit is a closed walk. Closed walk means starting and ending vertices will be the same. And the specialty of this closed walk is this walk will include all the edges present in the graph exactly once. No edge will be repeating. We can see what is meant by a cut edge. A cut edge in a graph is an edge whose removal disconnects a component of the graph. That means if you are removing a cut edge from the graph will become disconnected. Suppose you are asked to identify cut edges present in this graph. If you are checking this particular graph, you can see that by removing the edge CE, the graph will become disconnected. After removing CE, the graph will be split into two components. In the same way, if you are removing the edge GH, again the graph will become disconnected. So, for this particular graph, CE and GH are the cut edges. If they are removed, the graph will become disconnected. So, for this graph, two cut edges are there. Next is Flory's algorithm. Flory's algorithm can be used to find an Euler circuit in any connected graph in which each vertex has even degree. So we can see the steps that should be carried out to implement Flory's algorithm. The first point that you have to keep in mind is Flory's algorithm is used only when all the vertices in the graph is having even degree. Step 1. You can start at any vertex. Go along any edge from this vertex to another vertex. Remove that edge from the graph. Step 2. Choose any edge from this vertex but not a cut edge unless we have no other option. Go along the chosen edge and remove this edge from the graph. Step 3. Repeat step 2 until all the edges have used and arrive at the vertex at which we have started the walk. This is the Flory's algorithm. So in Flory's algorithm we can start from any vertex, and at every step what we will do is we will be removing one edge beginning with that particular vertex. But when you are selecting an edge for removal, you have to make sure that the selected edge is not a cut edge. If you are selecting a cut edge, the graph will become disconnected and you won't be able to continue with the process. So we can see using Flory's algorithm how to find an Euler circuit present in this graph. So the first step is you have to start from vertex B. First I am removing the edge BC because BC is not a cut edge. After removing BC, you can select either CF or CE or CD. Three choices are there. Suppose I am removing CF. So the edges that you have removed are BC and CF. After removing CF, you have got only one choice, that is FD. You have to remove FD. FD is also not a cut edge. Now you can remove DE. After removing DE, you have only one choice, that is you can remove edge EC. Then you can remove CD, then DA and then AB. So this is the order in which you will be removing the edges after removing DE, EC, CD and DA, AB. So if you are writing the edges in the order in which you have removed from the graph, you will be getting a walk like this: B to C, C to F, F to D, D to E, E to C, C to D, D to A to B. We have started from B and stopped at B, and we have visited all the edges exactly once. This is how, using Fleury's algorithm, we can find out an Euler circuit. Here you can start with any vertex. Here I have started with B. If you want, you can start with A, C, D or any other vertex. Note that a graph that has an Euler circuit always has more than one Euler circuit based on which vertex you are starting the walk. Now you are given a problem here. You have to use Fleury's algorithm to find an Euler circuit for this particular graph. You have to try it and you have to find out the solution. Thank you.